When I first got this car and I saw the CarPlay on it, I was a little bit bummed because it's so limiting. So this is what's installed standard with my car, and that's the basics. So I was excited when I got sent this wireless box that can kind of change your CarPlay. I'm going to plug it in and show you a little bit more about it. The kit comes with the different cords, so whatever works best for your car. It also comes with a trial plan. It is flashing green and lit up blue, and then my screen now says Android on it, and it is connecting. And we have our map, we have Netflix, which I'm excited about, and you can also use the AI function, which I haven't played around with too much yet, but I think that's really cool. So here are all the different things you have access to. So now you're going to get the YouTube, you're going to get Spotify, you can watch Netflix, social media, Disney Plus, Amazon Prime. So if you're on a road trip, let's say, and your family wants to watch a movie while you guys are on a break or something like that, you now have that ability, which is so cool. If you have a Netflix account, this will just link right up on your dashboard. Lots of different functionality and things to look into. And if you're in your car a lot, you do a lot of road trips, that type of thing, I think this could be really useful to have.